In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pips in TradingView Mobile. Open the TradingView app on your phone. We'll be working directly on a live chart, so make sure you're on the market you want to analyze, like a forex pair. If needed, switch to the symbol and time frame you care about first. This keeps your measurement relevant to the setup you're studying. Next, tap Chart at the bottom to enter the full chart view. Pinch to zoom in so your candles are easy to see, and slide the chart left or right to position the price action you want to measure. A clear view helps you place the measurement anchors more accurately. Now tap the pencil icon at the bottom to open the drawings toolbar. This is where TradingView keeps all the analysis tools. If you don't see what you need immediately, that's normal. There are a lot of tools in here. In the drawing search, type price range and select it. With the price range tool active, double tap where you want your measurement to start, then drag to where you want it to end. As you drag, you'll see an on-screen label update live. For forex charts, that label shows the pip distance, the raw price change, and the percentage move. That pip number is what most traders use to size risk, set targets, or review performance. A quick refresher: for most non-JPY forex pairs, 1 pip is the 4th decimal place, and for JPY pairs, it's the 2nd decimal place. That's why the pip count can differ even if the visual move looks similar. If your anchors aren't perfect on the first try, just drag the start or end handle to fine-tune the measurement. Zooming in further often makes this easier. When you're finished, you can leave the measurement on the chart for reference, or use undo to remove it and measure a different segment. Keep using the price range tool as needed. When you're done, simply switch back to your usual cursor or tap away from the drawings menu. That's it. Open the chart, choose the drawings icon, pick price range, double tap, and drag to read the pip distance with confidence.